To set up the Taxiar online taxi service WordPress theme, follow this step-by-step guide. This theme is typically sold on marketplaces like ThemeForest and includes demo content, theme options, and plugins to help you launch a taxi booking or car hire website quickly. 1. Install WordPress if not already done. Go to your hosting control panel, for example, cPanel, and install WordPress using Softaculous or manually. 2. Install the theme. Download the theme zip file from your source ThemeForest or GPL site. Go to your WordPress dashboard. Gives appearance, gives themes, gives add new, gives upload theme. Choose the taxiar.zip file and click install now. Click activate once the installation is done. 3. Install required plugins. After activating the theme, you'll see a notice prompting you to install required and recommended plugins. These may include Elementor contact form, 7WP booking plugin if included, Redux Framework or similar. Click begin installing plugins. Then, install all. Activate all. 4. Import demo content. Go to appearance, gives import demo data or theme options greater than demo import. Select a demo if multiple are available. Click import and wait until it finishes. This will import pages, images, menus, sliders, and theme options. Note, if there's no demo importer, look for XML files in the demo data folder and use tools. Gives import, gives WordPress. 5. Configure home page and menus. Go to settings, gives reading. Set home page to a static page. Select the imported home. Go to appearance, gives menus. 2. Assign the primary menu to the correct location. Rearrange menu items if needed. 6. Customize theme settings. Go to appearance, gives customize or theme options panel. Adjust logo and favicon colors and typography, header and footer styles, booking settings if applicable. 7. Set up booking system if included. If the theme uses a booking plugin, go to the plugin settings area. Configure taxi types, pricing, locations, and availability. 8. Edit pages using Elementor. Go to pages, gives all pages. Click edit with Elementor on any page to customize design, content, and layout visually. 9. Test everything. Test the booking form. Check contact forms and email delivery.